Well, I got this rusty old fire pit. And as you can see, it's seen better days. I'm gonna try to bring it back to life a little bit. So, see how we do. It's gonna be my project for the weekend. Got that separated out and that separated out. Got that grinded off and straightened up. I'm gonna work on the next part. Hey man. Okay. So I ended up grinding the whole rust out and cleaning it up, and I just weld it. I'm practicing my welding, and you can see how sloppy it is. I mean, I guess it's not too bad. It's getting a little better. Definitely better than how it was a little while back. But anyway, just welded the whole thing in place, and I cut all the rust out. So hopefully a nice coat of paint, and that should be it. And there it is on the other side. I just ended up cutting all the sheet metal out of here, all the rust out, and I left the part that it was not rusty. It's lower, it's gonna be like 3 inches lower, but it still works. It's now welded in place, solid. Just need a good coat of paint, and that should be it.